Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. A quick video update for you Monday evening, just about 7:30 as we record this video, and it's a calm and cool night across central Indiana. Taking a look at the latest satellite shows just a few mid-fair weather high-level clouds here streaming overhead across southern and central parts of the state, but all in all, a very nice and quiet evening underway. And tomorrow we'll begin with a lot of sunshine and a chilly start to the day, but it's as we go into the evening hours where we'll notice clouds beginning to increase and then rain will follow late tomorrow night into the day Wednesday. Before we talk about that, though, we'll take a look at our temperatures here. Currently in the upper 30s across most of central Indiana, again at 7:30, so not terribly cold for this time of the year. Things are going to be changing, though, as we move forward into the middle part of the week and on into the latter part of the week. We'll take a look here at the latest forecast radar off of the high-resolution NAM. And again, tomorrow is a dry day for the most part, a quiet day, kind of the calm before the storm, if you will. And then clouds give way to showers and a steadier rain during the overnight into early Wednesday. Now, as we go into the day Wednesday, particularly Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, things are going to begin to transition over to a very heavy, wet snow across northern and central parts of the state. And while we feel very confident on the overall picture of surface low pressure tracking just along or south of the Ohio River, every little detail concerning overall timing and subtle shifts in the track will play a large role in ultimately determining exactly what we see from a snowfall perspective across central Indiana Wednesday night into Thursday morning. The way we see things playing out right now, we'll pull up our this is our initial kind of heavy snow zone, at least potential heavy snow zone. Really, it follows Interstate 70 and points north. That we're going to have to obviously hone in and fine-tune exactly where the heaviest snow falls. But we want to make sure that we stress that this is going to be a rather fluid situation over the next 24 hours. And again, any subtle shifts in the track will ultimately determine just exactly who sees what and when. I will say, though, the heaviest band of snow, wherever that sets up, does have the potential of eclipsing 10 inches or more with this storm. And with it being such a heavy, wet nature to the snow, that alone would raise concern for potentially some power outages. But then when you throw in the fact that we're going to be looking at a strong and gusty north and eventually northwest wind late Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, you've got a whole other set of problems again. So exactly where the heaviest snow falls, combined with these strong winds, do raise a concern for potentially some power outages. Again, late Wednesday night into Thursday morning as this surface area of low pressure moves on into Ohio. So we'll zoom out just a little bit here and put this into motion. Again, this is Wednesday evening. Most of us are snowing, certainly from the city and points north and west. We think probably the early estimate, and this is very fluid again, would be potentially mid to late evening changeover for the city itself on Wednesday. But there are some issues at hand that could lead to a faster changeover as well that we're keeping a very close eye on. So we'll continue to fine-tune that. Needless to say, though, most of Thursday is going to be very windy, much colder, and also dealing with additional snow showers, maybe even some embedded snow squalls Thursday morning into the early afternoon before we finally begin to dry things out and potentially begin the dig-out process for some of us at least Thursday evening. So guys, that will do it for the evening update here on NDWX.com. Clients will have a more extensive post here shortly into your inbox as well. Make it a great night. Stay with us, and we'll talk with you soon.